Until now, any Android OS you have tried, either it's been based on Android 5 or Android 7, and you had to manually install them. But in today's video, I'm going to provide you with an operating system that is not only based on Android 4, but also allows you to live boot it, meaning you won't need to install it. Additionally, you can easily run this operating system on your low-end PC at 60+ FPS by following a few simple steps, and your operating system will be ready to use. So, let's move to the computer screen and understand this whole process practically.
Let's roll.
So, we've come to the computer screen, and now let's start the installation. First of all, you need to have a USB drive because we'll be booting the image file from the USB drive. You also need to have Rufus software for this process. The process is very simple. Just insert the pen drive and open Rufus, then drag and drop the ISO file into Rufus. After that, click on the Start button, and your pen drive will become bootable and ready to use. Since the ISO file size is just 500 MB, this process will only take 1 to 2 minutes to complete.
1 hour later.
After this process is complete, you need to restart your PC and then press the boot key multiple times. Since I have Dell laptop, so its boot key is F12. Yours might be different if you're using a laptop from a different brand. After that, you will see several options, and you should choose the first option. Now, many of you might be wondering if this operating system can be installed alongside Windows. My answer is no. You can only use this OS in live boot mode. If you try to install it alongside Windows, your boot sector will get damaged. I recently tried to install this OS on my second PC, and the same thing happened, which is why I recommend using this OS only in live boot mode. So now, the loading process has started, and once it completes, you will see a screen like this where you need to set up the OS. So let's quickly set it up. Alright friends, our Android OS has been successfully installed, and you can see how fast it is. I'm not experiencing any lag at all. Since the Android version is quite old, it works very well. Speaking of the Android version, this OS runs on Android 4.4. which is fully compatible with any low-end PC. In addition, I tried several games on this operating system, and only a few of them worked. Also, because this is a live boot, whenever you restart your PC, all your data will be removed. Moreover, I didn't find any key mapping options in this operating system. So overall, the operating system is quite good, but it has these two problems: live boot and no key mapping. However, if you want to experience an Android operating system with 90+ FPS without installing it, you should definitely try this OS. Let me know in the comments section whether you like this OS or not. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.